Hello, my name is Aziza and I will be talking about having a PE kit for school. Children love PE and would love doing it in their own kit. You can purchase a PE kit from school or any supermarket like Asda or Tesco. Check with your child that they still have their PE kit in school and haven't lost it. At the end of every half term, we send PE kits home to be washed. Please make sure you return them at the start of the following half term. If you are not sure, check reminders of PE days on the newsletter, parent mail, or ask your teacher. Make sure your child has shorts in their PE kit, but it would be nice if they had some jogging buttons too. We will soon start doing PE outside. Please make sure they have plimsolls as well. Thank you very much for watching.